So just a quick introduction. Again, we're going to be talking about the word Veechar and some of its meanings and translations, and what that means with respect to this deep dive into Gurbani. And also let me share with you that the word Veechar, which in Gurmukhi is most commonly spelled with a V, a Vava, you can also have the equivalent spelling of a B as Baba. So it can either be Veechar or Beechar. And it's both a verb and a noun. And as a verb, Veechar means to ponder and to reflect on and to consider deeply and to contemplate. So again, going back to what I was sharing with you earlier, this is an exercise. It's very personal in terms of reflecting on what the meaning of Gurbani is to you, and to ponder on that meaning, and how you can use that reference to affect change in yourself, in your environment, and for that matter, in the world. It's also a noun, and it means it can be translated as thought, or a deep thought, consideration, or reflection, or contemplation. So all of those are references to the specific, noun of Veechar, and it's also used when you put the sound ee or at the end e. Veechari, it's the person who reflects or considers deeply, and who's a thinker, a deep thinker, and not a thinker in the sense of an intellectual thinker, but thinking in the context of, again, reflecting in contemplation in terms of the meaning of life and the meaning of our relationship with our soul and our soul identity. There are many other translations that can be referenced, but they're all fairly similar with respect to understanding, deep thought, consideration, reflection. And it's one of the very commonly used words in Sri Guru Granth Sahib, both in the context of it being a verb and a noun. Just in Japji Sahib alone, there are 16 references and usages of the word Veechar. If you're familiar with the Shabad Dan Dan Ramdas Guru, there's the closing lines, Guru Amara tu Veechariya. And in that context, what Guru Ramdas Ji is saying there is that Guru Amar Das has completely understood and conceived of and absorbs the essence of the Guru Nanak and Guru Angad Dev before him. So it says, Nanak tu lahena tu hai. Nanak, you are Nanak, you are Angad. Guru Amara tu Veechariya. Guru Amara himself has reflected on, understood you, and in that context, it really means that he's totally become you and owned you. So Veechar is also a way of imbibing and a way of being in the presence and in the likeness and in the reflection of, not just one who reflects, but in the reflection of the Guru and the reflection of the Guru's words. So I hope that's helpful in understanding some of the context of Veechar.